Let us now understand the text by looking at which they seem to misinterpret. Firstly, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ. So there are three such ayahs: Al-Kafirun, Al-Fasiqun, Al-Zalimun. So Allah Azza wa Jal is saying that whoever does not govern, you know, with the Sharia that Allah Azza wa Jal has brought down. وَمَن لَّمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ. Such people are considered disbelievers, is what Allah Azza wa Jal is saying. So this is what the simple layman translation of this ayah, or should I say the portion of this ayah, because this is not the entire ayah. The ayah actually starts in أنزلنا التوراة فيها هدى ونور يحكم بها النبيون الذين أسلموا للذين هادوا والربانيون والأحبار والمستحفظون. To cut the long story short, this is the ayah. A lot of ulama, and mind you, when I say a lot of ulama, I'm not talking about today's contemporary ulama. I'm talking about our righteous predecessors from the first three generations of Islam. We keep going back to them. Our religion revolves around the Quran and the authentic ahadith in the light of the manhaj, or in the light of the guidelines of these three generations of Islam. So here, Bara ibn Azib radiyallahu anhu, Hudhaifa ibn Yaman radiyallahu anhuma, Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhuma, Ikrima ibn Abi Jahl radiyallahu anhu, Al-Hasan al-Basri rahimahullah, Sufyan al-Thawri rahimahullah. I can go on. I can just continue to go on endlessly until the end of this session. So many people said, firstly, that this ayah was revealed about children of Israel. This ayah, Allah Azza wa Jal in this ayah is talking about the ruling that was applicable to the people of the children of Israel, Bani Israel. Firstly, that's the first thing, which is why, what did I say at the beginning? Inna anzalna at-Tawrata fiha hudan wa nur. Allah Azza wa Jalla is talking about the Torah. So at the end of that ayah comes وَمَن لَّمْ يَحْكُم بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ. So here, firstly, Allah Azza wa Jal is saying that this ayah, I mean, the ulama are saying that this ayah is talking about the ruling of the nation of Bani Israel first. However, we say that we are also going to be pleasing Allah Azza wa Jal if we rule by the very same ruling. However, there are a lot of riders, a lot of conditions that apply. So, secondly, this ayah, while Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying, وَمَن لَّمْ يَحْكُم بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ, whoever it is who does not rule in accordance with the laws of the Sharia that Allah Azza wa Jalla sent down is considered a kafir. When Allah Azza wa Jalla says this, what Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying is, huwa kufrun duna kufrin. This is not the kufr, the big kufr that we usually talk about. This is not that kind of kufr. When someone says that they don't believe in Allah Azza wa Jal, they don't believe in the day of judgment, they don't believe in the angels, they don't believe in the messengers, they don't believe in the books of Allah Azza wa Jal. That kufr is not this one, is what the ulama say, that kufr is different from this kind of kufr. This is a relatively smaller, less severe kufr.